Okay, we are live for 10 minutes. So I've drawn a typical series circuit here with 2 ohm resistor, 4 ohm resistor, 6 and 8 ohm resistor. And my first question is to find the total voltage. I will also ask you to find the total resistance and to find the total amperage, indicated with T's here. That's the totals. That's using Ohm's law at this point. So the voltage total is given to you as 12 volts. The voltage, the total resistance is the addition of all the resistors. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 6 is 12, and 8 is 20 ohms. And the total amperage is found by Ohm's law, E equals IR. Well, you have the voltage is 12 volts, and you're going to divide that by the total resistance is 20 ohms, and you get 0.6 amps. Since it's a series circuit, you have 0.6 amps traveling throughout the whole circuit evenly. Okay, so the next questions are to find the voltage across resistor 1, the voltage across resistor 2, the voltage across resistor 3, and the voltage across resistor 4. Now, just as review, I wanted to write the total voltage is going to be equal to the voltage drops of each of the resistors, and the total resistance you found is the addition of resistor 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the total amperage is represented by this formula, where the amperage is the same across each of the resistors. Okay, so far so good. So to find the voltage drop across R1 using Ohm's law, E equals IR, what are your givens? You want to find the voltage drop, and you're given, you've just found the amperage across resistor 1, which is 0.6 amps, and you want to multiply that by the resistor, which is 2 ohms, and you get 1.2 volts. Doing the same thing across resistor 2 using Ohm's law, E equals IR. I, amperage, total amperage is 0.6. Multiply that by the resistor value, which is 4 ohms, and you get 24 or 2.4 volts. And do the same thing across resistor 3. Ohm's law is 0.6 amps times 6 ohms equals 3.6 volts. That's the voltage drop across resistor 3. And the last one, again, you apply Ohm's law just to this resistor. You know the amperage through that resistor is 0.6 amps. You multiply that by its resistor value, 8 ohms, and you get 4.8 volts. Now, if you add all these voltage drops together, you'll get 11 volts, which is pretty close to what we started with. A lot of times you'll get a resistor or a voltage drop value close to or the same as what you start with here. So that's a demonstration of how to work out total voltage total resistance and total amperage of a series circuit, and then finding the voltage drops across each circuit. Thank you.